Hey there, I'm Jace, Product Marketing Manager for Platform at Deel. Just as we streamline how you pay teams around the world, we're now tackling another universal challenge: getting access to the right information exactly when you need it. Whether it's figuring out how to use the platform, answering compliance questions, or staying on top of country-specific laws, access to knowledge is often scattered and hard to find. Searching through documents, pinging legal, or digging through support articles not only wastes time, but opens you up to risks. Today, we're going to show you 3 powerful resources to make Deel smarter, faster, and easier to use. Let's dive in. First up, our Knowledge Hub puts compliance content and local hiring insights all in one central location. Previously, this information lived across help articles and downloadable guides. Now, it's embedded directly in Deel. To access the Knowledge Hub, just click Knowledge via the main navigation. You'll have access to guides in over 150 countries, curated by Deel's 2,000 on-the-ground legal and HR experts. Let's say your team just hired someone in Poland. Their manager asks, what's the probation policy here? Instead of emailing legal or digging through shared drives, they can open Deel and check the Knowledge Hub to get their answer in seconds. Want to compare parental leave policies at a glance across all countries? With Knowledge Hub, you can see current local laws, pending legislation, and recent compliance changes, all in one view. So you'll not only know the current rule in Spain, but also what's changing next year. It's all there, updated continuously. And because it's built into our platform, it has a context on where you have employees and contractors, making sure that you see updates that impact your workforce, like changes to benefit requirements or increases to minimum wage. Moving on to Deel AI. Everything in Knowledge Hub is also available in Deel AI. So you can instantly find answers to local hiring rules, benefits, and more. For example, you can ask for the salary average for a senior developer in the UK. Or you can compare hiring costs between France and Canada. Deel AI generates digestible summaries, all backed with real-time market data. But that's just the start. More of you are using Deel AI as a shortcut to understand how to do actions on our platform. We've made that functionality more helpful. Now, in addition to step-by-step instructions, Deel AI gives you a guided walkthrough showing you exactly how to do tasks like set up benefits or configure approvals. We've rolled out over 200 of these AI-powered guides, all kept up to date in real time. No more digging through help articles or waiting for support. And speaking of support, many of you have told us that the current experience could feel scattered. If you had an issue, it often meant several different conversations across chat, email, and support tickets. We're solving that. All your support interactions live in one place, the Deel inbox, accessible directly through Deel AI or via the help icon in the menu bar. Just open the conversation and you'll see a complete history of your support chats and tickets in a single feed. And soon, we'll be integrating email too, for a truly unified view of all your communications with Deel. Deel AI is your first stop for everything Deel, HR and payroll related. From support to product walkthroughs to hiring insights, answers are instantly available. Deel AI can even use your workforce data to generate reports or answer questions about your team. Our last update is Deel Academy. Many of you have said, I'm sure there's more to Deel, I just don't know where to start. That's why we created Deel Academy. You get bite-size, self-guided lessons that walk you through the key steps: planning your rollout, linking systems, adding workers, running payroll, and more. Each course comes from the experts who built the product, so every tip is real and current. Finish a track, pass a quick quiz, and you'll earn a shareable Deel certificate that proves you're a pro. Let's quickly recap what's new and how you can get started using it right inside Deel. The Knowledge Hub is now live, delivering local compliance insights across 150 plus countries. And we're working hard to add even more help articles, country-specific information to help you hire anywhere, and compliance alerts to stay ahead of legal changes. Deel AI is your first stop for everything related to compliance, workforce insights, Deel support, and more. And with the unified inbox, it's easier to manage all your ongoing support questions from payroll to parental leave. Deel AI is always on and can be found on almost any page in the Deel platform. Just look for the Deel AI icon. Deel Academy helps you get even more out of our products with easy-to-follow courses and certifications when you've completed them. To get started, visit deel.com/Deel-Academy, sign up, and you'll be able to access Deel Academy from your user profile in Deel. All of these updates are live today.